This is really non-lethal suppressive technology. It's in widespread use by governments. Science has now proven in laboratories that it has physiological and emotional effects, adverse effects, such as depression, anger, upset, confusion, and physiological, such as headaches, nausea, and neurological issues, which means being unbalanced. So this is in widespread use, and it has now been proven that in the US and the UK, there is absolute proven evidence that this has been used by governments to try to disperse crowds.